In the high-tech city of NeoMetropolis lived a brilliant young woman named Cinder. After her parents' untimely deaths, she was left in the care of her stepmother, Lady Talon, CEO of a powerful tech corporation. Her stepsisters, Vera and Liza, enjoyed luxury while Cinder toiled away in the corporation's basement, fixing broken robots and devices. One day, Prince Neo, a tech mogul, announced a grand tech expo to unveil his latest invention and select a partner for future projects. Cinder longed to attend and showcase her own creations, but her stepmother forbade it, fearing Cinder's talent would outshine her daughter's. Determined, Cinder turned to her loyal companion, a small AI drone named Spark, which she had built herself. Spark hacked the corporation's system to create a digital disguise for Cinder, allowing her to attend the expo unnoticed. At the expo, Cinder captivated everyone with her innovative inventions. Prince Neo was particularly impressed by her energy storage device and advanced AI robot. They spent hours discussing technology and innovation, forming an instant connection. As the event neared its end, Cinder's digital disguise began to malfunction. Spark alerted her, and she hurriedly left, accidentally leaving behind a unique tech glove. Prince Neo, determined to find the brilliant inventor, used the glove to scan for its creator. Prince Neo's search led him to Lady Talon's corporation. When he tested the glove in the basement workshop, it synchronized perfectly with Cinder's other inventions. Realizing she was the brilliant mind he had been looking for, Prince Neo invited Cinder to join him in revolutionizing technology. Together, Cinder and Prince Neo combined their skills, transforming NeoMetropolis with groundbreaking innovations. Cinder's life changed from one of servitude to recognition and respect, proving that talent and determination could overcome any obstacle. And so, Cinder and Prince Neo lived in harmony, creating a future filled with endless possibilities, inspiring others to dream big and believe in the power of technology.